Can you tell me what sound this letter makes?